Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. You're back again. You woke up stiff, sore and tight, but in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to unlock your hips, stretch your glutes and fire up your lower body so you feel light, mobile and pain-free all day. Most people don't stretch, or they stretch incorrectly, making them even tighter. Today, we're going to fix that because you're not like most people. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right, and I'll show you how. The last move in this session is something you've never tried before, but you'll wish you had. Your hips aren't just tight, they're stealing your mobility, limiting your flexibility, and making movement harder than it should be. Let's change that today, fam. Because most people don't realize that their tight glutes are causing lower back pain. And the next move will instantly fix that. And also, one small mistake might be stopping your stretches from working. I'm gonna help you fix it. If you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you, so make sure to stick through the end to find out. I promise you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. If you ever feel tightness in your lower back or hips, this move is about to change everything. It's uncomfortable at first, but the benefits? Next level. Start in the high plank position and bring your right knee forward, placing it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg back, keeping your hips square. Slowly lower your upper body forward, resting on your hands or forearms. I promise this move will release deep tension in your glutes, improve hip mobility, and relieve lower back pressure. Beginners, place a block or pillow under your hip for support. Advanced stretches, fold all the way forward and reach your arms forward. Take a pause here. Can you take one deep breath and sink just a little deeper? That's where the magic happens. Now, let's even things out, switching to the left side. Your hips might feel different on this side. That's totally normal. This move restores balance and mobility. Bring your left knee forward, placing it behind your left wrist. Extend your right leg back, keeping your hips square. Lower your torso, resting your hands or forearms. I promise this move will create even flexibility, improve posture, and help your entire lower body move freely. Beginners, keep your chest high to reduce intensity. Advanced stretches, walk your hands forward and fully relax into the stretch. Breathe in, now exhale and sink deeper, just 1% more. Now that your hips are open, let's add rotation and loosen up the deeper hip muscles. Most people stretch their hips wrong. They focus on opening them up, but forget about rotation. That's why your hips still feel tight. This move fixes that instantly. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat, both hip width apart. Slowly drop your right knee inward, then your left, keeping your feet planted. Move side to side in a controlled motion, focusing on your range of motion. I promise this move will free up your hips, reduce stiffness, and improve your squat depth instantly. Beginners, keep hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, lift your hands off the floor for more core engagement. Pause on one side. Can you push that knee down just a little more? Now that your hips are rotating freely, let's stretch your hamstrings and lengthen your spine. If your lower back feels stiff or your legs feel heavy, this move is going to reverse all of that in seconds. Stand with your feet wider than hip width apart. Hinge at your hips, reach down toward your right foot, keeping your spine long. Come back to center, then switch side, alternating between each foot. I promise this move will lengthen your hamstrings, loosen your lower back, and improve circulation instantly. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if needed. Advanced stretches, try touching the floor with both hands for a deeper stretch. Most people just round their back. Keep your chest lifted and focus on the hamstring stretch. Now that your legs are feeling loose, let's flow through a powerful mobility drill to finish strong. This is it, the move that ties everything together. If you want fluid, pain-free movement throughout the day, you need this stretch. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge, back knee down, hold for a second, then switch legs, stepping your left foot forward. Continue alternating smoothly, syncing with your breath. I promise this move will unlock your hips, improve flexibility, and make walking, running, or even sitting feel easier. Beginners, keep your hands on your knee for support. Advanced stretches, add a gentle twist towards your front leg for an extra stretch. Last 10 seconds. Can you make each transition smoother? Let's finish strong. Deep breath in. Now exhale. Flow effortlessly. Your hips are free, your glutes are loose, and your body feels mobile. This is how you start your day the right way. And just like I promised, if you sit for hours, don't stop here. Your body needs more than this routine. I created a free guide just for you. Go check it out in the description or pinned comment. It's packed with morning stretches, midday stretches, evening stretches, and much more to keep your body pain-free and flexible all day. Click the link now before you forget. Your future self is going to thank you. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.